Hey, I'm Hudson from Hudson Lighting, and today we're correcting a huge mistake. I'm really upset about it, but we'll get through it. Stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, so I bet you're guessing what the mistake was. Well, essentially the mistake was we made some recessed lights for a customer, and for said customer asked, well, the particular customer asked us what the cutout size was, and one of our guys basically said it was 25mm. Well, this was basically the fitting, bar the fact it was in round 9001, which is like a white. And this is actually a 20mm cutout, not a 25mm cutout, and it has a 25mm flange on the front of it. So you'd imagine what happened. That went straight through the hole. So today I'm having to machine, especially enlarged tops for that order. And we'll get those made, and then in another video we'll get them powder coated. So show you in the next clip. Before I do that, I'm just reminded, it'd be a lot easier if I change it to the right tool first, because I could have to go jogging all the way back. There we go, that'll make my life a little bit easier. Right, I wish I had an auto arm, I really do. Anyway, here's what it is. So I'm just gonna, we're in handle jog, yes. There we go, it's decided it's gonna do it now. Right, so we jog down. That one touched off on the X, and then I'm also going to touch it off on the Z. There we go. Put into reference. Wants to be further away before it's lets you reference it. Nope. Still won't let me do it. Now will you let me do it? There we go. So we have to go back to home. Basically it won't let you touch it off near the probe. It wants you to go home every time. So I think it's a good idea because it reduces the likelihood of someone just forgetting where a tool is, smacking the arm, and before you know it we're having to buy a new one or whatever. Which wouldn't be great. So with this one, I need to change my custom one and change to right hand selection. It's a tool on the right spindle. And we'll come down. We'll do our Z first, just because that's where we've gone. That's our Z. And go into the X. Come on, mate. Oh. That's the X.
And I know what was on that 6-watt top.
The 6.
Blow off the powder.
Oh, right. Is it like?
Yeah. Blow off.
Yeah. If you get the hairy stuff, I think that's a think it's a bad ground. I think so. Yeah. You just need to just maybe adjust the position of the hook, or like make sure it's got clean contact against the metal, that kind of thing. I think that's what. Maybe too close as well, possibly.
6 inches, over 6 inches.
Yeah, maybe it wants to be further away though. Maybe it wants to be like that.
Okay.
Right, go post my program out. So I've set up the Nakamura and I've machined the first couple of tops to see how it comes out. Well, the first one I laughed about because basically I didn't change the collet on the sub spindle, so it didn't even grab it. So yeah, that's the first one that's completely wrong. The second one did grab it, got the right collet in, a lot better. But there is a little sharp edge right there, and this chamfer is like way too much. It's not, wasn't what I'm going for at all. So I've edited the bits and pieces in there. I'm gonna, just to deal with this edge, I'm gonna get the probe out and just touch all the tools off, and just to make sure that all the offsets are exactly the same. And then hopefully we can go again. So chuck these away, recycle them, and see how we get on. Right, so that's that order complete off the Nakamura. So I've actually done, so it's meant to be 13 tops, I've done 14. We put these in these boxes. Now these boxes are meant to be numbered. I think these are the new ones that we've got, so they've not been numbered yet. We've got this label on there, basically tells us who it's for and tells us what colour it's going to be. So I need to now put this down in the processing area. Pat will anodise these and powder coat them, and then that'll be it. But that's going to be the end of where we are with this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you've got any comments or anything, stick them below. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.